This video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the timeline option or timeline view in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open a project that you want to add a timeline on. I'm going to use this simple project for this video. So to add a timeline view, first, hover your mouse here on view and then on the drop-down menu, click on timeline right here. This would be a new view or a timeline view that would be added to your project. So you can rename first right here the name of this custom view, and then you can check some of these boxes if you want its functions for your project, like show weekends, task locations, subtask parent names, expand task names, and much more. After that, I'm going to teach you on how you can navigate this timeline view. First, by default, it is on today. And then, as for the time period, you can change it with days, 7 days, 14 days, weeks, and even months. So it would be up to you. And then, right here, you should see all your unscheduled tasks that is also put right here on your list. So once you drag this task, for example, I'm going to drag it here. Now you can readjust this, and automatically it means this would be the duration of that task. It means it would be from April 6th to April 8th. Then let's add the other task here. Let's adjust it. Another one. As simple as that. Now, once you click on this task, you would see a more detailed description to those tasks, which you can also check and customize. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.